that's my gun, but that's not my gun, Michael. I don't know whose gun that is. She kept on trying to tell me, don't worry. These gentlemen are mistaken. They think I'm somebody else. This was the day that my mother was taken away from me. In many ways, they say it was worse than the day I saw my mother was about. Because my father died, I still have my mother. I look at her eyes and I'm thinking, what are you thinking right now? Did she know that she was going to spend the next 20 some years in jail? In prison? That's bigger and a dreadful woman. That's still concerned to me. We lost it all right there. And we lost it all right there. And that moment, we were up. It was over.
You take my shirt again. This one right there. Mm.